Thank you there, Rich. You know, speaking of hair loss, winter storms are not good for weather people, by the way. Let's take a look at the I-90 down at Dunkirk right now. Definitely a very snowy scene in that direction, and snow-covered I-90, at least across Chautauqua County. This is really going to slow you down this morning. Based on radar trends, it looks like the snowfall intensity might be picking up a little bit in that area right now. Taking you up to the 290. This is the 290 at the Main Street intersection of Williamsville, and a snowy scene at that location. However, the roadway looking a little bit better, at least in the north towns right now. Maybe it's been treated, but notice this on-ramp off to the left side of the screen here. It's snow covered, so even in the north towns, you're going to have to watch out for this and watch out for the bridges and the overpasses. I did catch some salters out earlier this morning already pre-treating some of the roads prior to the arrival of the snow, but that snow has now overspread all of the region as we begin the day. Pretty widespread. We're seeing a little dry pocket down here in the Bradford area. This may only be temporary, but some darker blue shades showing up here, working up into Chautauqua County. Even some well to the northwest of the region now, along the north side of Lake Erie, up into the western side of the Niagara Peninsula. So snowfall rates will be increasing across the area this morning, occasionally moderate to heavy before the storm starts to pull away during the mid and late afternoon hours. This is a quick mover. If the storm were more slow in its path across the northeast, we would be picking up considerably more snowfall out of it, but it's going to be kicking out of here pretty quickly already by later this afternoon. Checking the latest surface weather observations from the airport locations right now. The -SN at Rochester, Buffalo, Niagara Falls indicates light snow shower back to the west at Hamilton, Ontario, down through Dunkirk, also down here at Bradford, but the dash is missing here at Wellsville. That means moderate snow is coming down at Wellsville and also back to the west at Erie, PA. Taking a look at your weather for today around the city of Buffalo and surrounding suburbs. Snow is going to be coming down all morning long. Early temperatures up around 30. We're down to 28 at noontime. The snow lightening up and becoming a little bit more intermittent by 5 p.m. with a temp of 26. Well, widespread snow depicted here on the Super Microcast, and the computer still suggesting maybe some sleet. It's much further south with the sleet today as it was yesterday, but you get down to the south of Bradford and to the east of Bradford, maybe in the sections of Potter County, some sleet could mix in. That would tend to keep down the accumulations in those areas, but fairly widespread snow coming down across the area. The winds really whip up out of the northeast, so blowing and drifting snow a factor out there this morning before this starts to taper off later this afternoon. Few early evening snow showers wind down, mostly cloudy for the overnight. Tomorrow, we're going to be looking at lots of clouds out there, and some more snow showers start to develop during the afternoon and maybe into Saturday night. This is going to wind down early on Sunday with perhaps a few breaks in the clouds Sunday afternoon. Here's the latest projections. Now, stay with us throughout the day because this could change with new information coming in, but right now I'm figuring out 3 to 6 inches in the Lake Ontario counties, 4 to 7 in the Metro, Genesee, Wyoming County, 5 to 8 down here in the southern tier, maybe 6 to 12 down across northern PA. Hey, we can't forget about the spring countdown. We're down to 23 more days. Snowy commute everywhere this morning, all the roadways across the area, including the QEW and the I-86. Right now, 28 at Buffalo, 30 from the Falls, 27 down there at Jamestown. Here's your Friday forecast. Snow occasionally moderate to heavy at times this morning. Some sleet could mix in well to the south. Winds increase, blowing snow. Temperatures slowly drop through the 20s today. For the overnight, a few evening snow showers. They're mostly cloudy down to 15 to 20 degrees. Tomorrow, looking ahead to limited sun. Snow showers redevelop again in the afternoon, 25 to 30 degrees. And on Sunday, they wind down early. Some breaks in the clouds in the afternoon. Temps all the way up into the mid to upper 30s on Sunday. A widespread rainfall producer heading our way for Monday. A flooding potential with that. Maybe some strong winds by later in the day. And a high temp of 47.